Hey everyone, today we're going to solve this LeetCode problem that is 1491 average salary excluding the minimum and maximum salary. It's an easy level problem, but it has a lot of dislikes and a lot of likes and very less dislike as compared to the likes. So I'm speculating that the reason for its popularity might be, some of the typecasting and language specific logics or facts that you need to know to solve this question in an effective way. Otherwise, you can obviously Google it and then do it. But in an assessment, it could be an easy level problem, but it will require some facts about the language, specific language that you are dealing in. So the question is, you are given an array, unique integers salary, where salary I is the salary of the ith employee. Return the average salary of employees excluding. Okay, first of all, there are unique salaries, right? So none of the employees will have the same salary, and we need to return the average salary of employees excluding the minimum and maximum salary. Now the answer within 10 raised to the power minus 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. So for example, in this case, you have 4,000, 3,100 and 2 sorry 1,000 and 2,000. Now the minimum salary is 1,000 and the maximum salary is 4,000, and if we have to take, if we have to take an average default of all of them, then it will be 400 plus 300 plus 1 sorry 4,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000, and that will be equal to 4 to 5 10,000, right? And 10,000 divided by 4 will be somewhere around 2,500. Now that could be your answer, but this is not how we solve the question. We solve the problem by excluding the minimum and maximum. So minimum is 1,000 and the maximum is 4,000. So they are now excluded, right? And the sum that you will have is 3,000 and 2,000. So this will be 5,000. But they will not be divided by the 4 now. Why? Because 2 are excluded, minimum and maximum are excluded. So it will be subtracted, the original number will be subtracted by 2, and then it will be divided to have this answer. So I don't think so that I need any illustration to solve it, because it's a very factual question. You need to have a knowledge of some knowledge of typecasting and all that, then you'll be good to go. So the first thing that we need is the total salary, right? Total salary is equal to accumulate. So this is an STL of C++ language. In Java or in Python, I think there are more convenient functions or similarly convenient function, you can use them. Or otherwise, if you don't want to use inbuilt functions, you can obviously sum these salaries up according to your, and the salary is okay, it's 10 raised to the power 6. So if the maximum is 100, 10 raised to the power 8, yeah, int will handle this. Now you have max salary. Now again, this is STL again. I'm not making these functions, they are pre-built just to use, plug them in and use them on the go. And salary dot end. Similarly, we have min salary. And after that we have frequency. Now frequency is equal to the total size, salary dot size, minus of 2. Why we are subtracting 2? Because minimum and maximum will be excluded, and they are unique, so minus 2 is a safe option. But if the question was that they are not unique, right, so that there can be multiple maximum or multiple minimums, in that case we have to calculate this number. But in this case, in this problem, it's given that the salaries will be unique, so you don't have to calculate them. You can just simply say that we subtract 2, we subtract minimum and maximum salary. Now we need to return yeah, we need to return. So first we need to typecast it to double, and the value will be total salary minus of minimum salary minus of maximum salary, and then divide by, again typecast it to double, and this will be frequency. Okay, now let's see if this will be accepted. Okay, test cases are passed, and I'm using double because double can have multiple decimal point values. Yeah, it is accepted and it's performing good. I mean, it's a not a constant, actually it's a linear. The time complexity will be linear, and the reason is that because accumulate function, max element function and min element, they are linear functions. So they will take linear time, and the time complexity will be linear, and the space complexity will be constant, because we are using four variables, so it's not much of an issue when it comes to space. So yeah, this is the time and space complexity. This is an easy level problem, that's why I'm not going in any deeper into it. I hope it clears the problem, and thanks for watching.